Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we are talking about the archive download SW command in Cisco IOS, which download, extract, and install a TAR software image, often automating the upgrade process across a stack of virtual chassis configuration. It is preferred over the copy because it handles the file extraction and update all members automatically. So a few key aspects of the archive download SW, the automatic installation is extract the file and set the boot variable automatically. If you have a virtual chassis configuration, it upgrades all members of the stack simultaneously. And basically this is the method that Cisco recommend. A few options on the command, for example, the override. Basically, this one override the current image in Flash, and you can also specify image only, which download only the software image, skipping the firmware updates. You can also, keep the previous version, with the option leave all SW, and also you can execute the reload option, which basically reload the switch automatically after the download. So a very important notes about the process is don't modify the file because it will get corrupted. Make sure Also make sure that you have enough space in Flash or use the option override. And like I've said, if you have a virtual chassis configuration, in this case, it's only a single switch, but if you have that, the virtual chassis configuration, it upgrade all the members of the stack simultaneously and automatically. So let me go to the CLI and let me show you how to upgrade this from a TFTP server, like the diagram that we have in here. We are basically connecting to a local console port. We already assigned one IP address to the VLAN one. The TFTP server is this one right here. And all you can also, you can reach the server, using a remote connection, SSH, and you can upgrade the process using TFTP, FTP, or secure copy protocol. So let me show you how to execute that. Okay, guys, let's upgrade the switch. Let me show you what is the version on the switch right now. Show version. So this is basically the version running on the switch. We are basically, upgrading to one of the latest AOS. So let's check the connectivity to the TFTP server. 192.168.0.134. So let's execute the command archive download SW, and you can use the option right here, right there. You can use the option. I will use the option override. Dash reload TFTP server 192.168.0.134, and the software image file, the tar file. So like I've said, this will extract all the software and also the firmware. It will upgrade everything on that. And with the option override, we erase everything or the previous operating system existing on flash. So let's paste the operating system right there. This is the new version. Just hit enter and look at that. VLAN 1 is, in this case, is transferring the operating system from the TFTP server. Like I said, you can use FTP or SCP or Secure Copy Protocol. Let's wait until this process is complete, and after that we are checking if the new operating system is in place. So let's wait until the process is complete. So guys, look at that. The copy process already is complete. So it's extracting the file right there, and the look at that, the upgrade process will take a few minutes, and after that it will reload because we include the reload option on the command. And after that, we're checking that all the process is complete. Like I've said, it will automatically upgrade the boot variables. So let's wait until everything is complete. So guys, something very important to note is the directory structure. When this process, which will create everything, it will create, a few subdirectories uh, on the flash, which basically, um, will set, the parameters, to access the unit through the web browser. Sometimes, when people just copy the operating system and this structure is not defined or is not present on the switch or on flash, the you will have some issues, to access the unit to the web browser. I will make another video in which I will troubleshoot, the HTML, I mean the web access on the Cisco switch. Let me show you later how to troubleshoot that. So let's enable show version. So that's the new operating system right there, right there. Look at that, create different directory structure right there inside this particular directory right here. Copy, cd, paste, enter, there. So different directory structure. This is key. When you try to access the unit through the web browser. Exit from here. So show. Let's see. Show version. Show inventory. Show env all. Show host. So everything looks okay to me, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.